So Ji Chew net worth 2024. Who is So Ji Chew? So Ji Chew is a Singaporean businessman and entrepreneur. So Ji Chew has served as chief executive officer of Chinese company ByteDance, which operate an online video platform TikTok since 2021. So Ji Chew biography. So Ji Chew was born on 1 January 1983 in Singapore. His father reportedly worked in construction while his mother was a bookkeeper. Upon graduating from Hong Chong Institution, Chew went on to serve national service in which he was a commissioned officer in the Singapore Armed Forces. After his military service, Chew went on study at after his military service, Chew went on to study at University College London in England. He graduated from the college in 2006 with a Bachelor of Economics degree. In 2010, he completed a Master of Business Administration degree at Harvard Business School, and while there completed a summer internship at Facebook prior to its IPO. So Ji Chew career. After graduating from University College London in 2006, Chew worked at Goldman Sachs in London for 2 years as a banker before he joined Yuri Milner's venture capital firm DST Global at Russian investment firm DST Global. Chew led investment into JD.com, Alibaba, and Xiaomi. He also led a team of early investors in ByteDance in 2013. In 2015, Chew joined Xiaomi as its chief financial officer. In 2019, he became Xiaomi foreign business president. In March 2021, Chew joined ByteDance as its chief financial officer. He subsequently replaced TikTok CEO Kevin A. Mayer, who left ByteDance subsidiary after 3 months on the job. In March 2023, Chew testified before the United States Congress regarding the legislative effort to ban TikTok in the United States. He testified again in January 2024 during a United States Senate Judiciary Committee hearing regarding legislation on child internet safety. He is the honorary chairperson of the 2024 edition of the Met Gala as TikTok is the lead sponsor of the event. So Ji Chew personal life. So Ji Chew is married to Vivian Cao, an American citizen of Taiwanese descent. They met in 2008 while studying at Harvard Business School. Have 2 children and the 2 live in Singapore. So Ji Chew net worth 2024. So Ji Chew net worth is estimated to be $1.5 billion.
Thanks for watching this video. I request to you do like, share and subscribe.